and it burnt me to pay money to buy hair because I don't buy hair anymore. But it's fine for you guys. For you guys.
Yo, I with Lil Mo. Live in the building, about to show you how it goes down. Feel me?
Go London, go London, go London, go London, go.
Stevie, BBs, it's all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Life of Ours here. If you are new, hello, welcome. If you're returning, what's bracking? My voice is low because it's really late and I'm exhausted. But I'm forcing myself to film this tonight because I'm really excited to show you guys this video. The video is going to be me installing and reviewing this lovely 30-inch HD lace wig that I bought. So this is not a sponsored video, I bought this. I've kind of been involved in recent conversations and I've kind of realised there's like a mistrust between what influencers say about hair and what consumers believe. Obviously for obvious reasons such as we're sponsored, companies are inclined to send their best batch of hair to us, etc, etc. So I thought I would try to buy hair from a well-known hair company that's been reviewed on here quite a bit and see if it's actually any good, if it lives up to the hype, if it's actually worth buying. Now I'm always very honest in my hair reviews, however I do understand that as a consumer, me being an influencer, there might be a lack of trust there. So I hate doing free shit for these big companies, but for you guys, I'm gonna do it. Let's install this wig and then I'll give you guys a review at the end and everything as well. So we're gonna install it, review it, everything. So review will be at the end in case you guys are wondering the hair's good, but we'll go into details about what I like and don't like at the end. Let's install the hair. Let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is cut the lace. So I'm just gonna put the hair, pull the hair back away, and then what you do with the lace is you cut it. I'm not going to cut the lace, scratch that, let me not do that yet. I'm actually going to go in and pluck where I feel that needs to be plucked a bit more. So just looking for me, I think, just looking at it, I'm going to take this out. I think I could pluck here way more. These tweezers are sharp as hell, I got them from Amazon. Now this lace is delicate as hell, so you need to be really careful, and these tweezers are sharp, so it's a deadly combo. I have put some holes in this lace by accident. I'm rough with my hands anyway, but still this lace is delicate. I don't know if it's because it's HD lace. I feel like it's because it's HD lace, it's even more delicate than usual, because even with my rough hands, I don't usually get massive holes. Okay, cool.
I'm a player, that's just what I do, but
See that? Bit better.
O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player.
My advice with wigs is try to not over pluck it while it's on the wig head, because you really only know what it looks like on your head. So I always save some plucking for when it's actually on my head. Tip from me. It's nothing revolutionary, I think most people do that, but if you haven't heard it before, you're hearing it now, so cool. I'm just gonna cut this now. And make sure you go in like zigzaggy motions as you do so.
Stevie, BBs, it's all.
This is HD transparent lace. The reason I went for transparent lace, or HD transparent lace, is because I find that I don't know what's going on these days, but even these days for the past, like since last year, even before the lace shortage, brown lace just isn't hitting it for me no more. Brown lace is always just some weird green grey colour. You're better off, no matter your skin tone, getting transparent lace and tinting it. I just put foundation underneath it, but the foundation I use, funnily enough, I find that I can't use the foundation I actually use. I have to go a shade up, and then not even a shade up, a couple shades up, or like a little bit darker. So I use the Revlon Colour Stay in Cappuccino, which is obviously too dark for me. I use that and it just perfect blend, like no complaints so far. So yeah, I'm gonna glue this down, and to glue this I'm just gonna use Got To Be spray, if I can find where I broadly put it.
Play, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling by you. I said that L-O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling by you.
I like how we up in the.
So for extra security you could tie this down with a band, and then let it dry and stuff. But because I'm literally going to take this off as soon as I go to bed, I'm not going to do that. But you guys know what I mean. Just tie it down with a headscarf or like a band to really glue it down. But it's a closure, and I'm about to go to bed. And you can actually wear this glueless if you want to, because it comes with like these this adjustable band at the back. I will show you guys an adjustable band at the back, which means that you can adjust to your head size. So this can actually be worn glueless. I'm just being extra. I'm being real extra. But and I got this wig cap in a size small as well because my head is small. So okay, cool. Our wig is glued on, but it's still looking a bit high. We don't want high wigs, so we're gonna flatten that out. So to do that, I'm gonna take a hot comb and a wax stick. So the hot comb I'm using is the Queenie's collection hot comb. They sent me this over. This hot comb is so good because it goes up to 260, and it also has these like plastic comb attachments that you can use. I say I'd use this more for hot combing your natural hair because you don't want to burn your hair too much. But yeah, we're gonna turn this on. I don't know if Queenie's collection have launched yet, but they do have an Instagram page which I will link down below. But I'm going to turn mine up to 260. See that? It's on 260, and what it does is, as it's counting up, it's literally counting up. It gets ready, it gets hot so quick as well. If we're working for closure, I'm just going to split in half. So I'm going to split each side, each half in half, like so. I'm going to take my Slay Bay, which is filthy, my Slay Bay Hold Me Down wax stick. This is like the best wax stick ever. It's a lot better than the Care one, because the Care one is greasy. This is more sticky, which is good. You want a sticky one. This is like less greasy, more sticky, which is perfect for what I need it for. I take my hot comb, which is on 260. I'm ready to go. Very quick heat up time. And then literally brush it through. Brush it, comb like that. And take the edge like this, get it nice and flat. Like so. Just comb your hair down if you want to as well. Go again. Take a section. I'm quite like, I'm not that precise with my sections, to be fair. And then take a wax stick and comb.
O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't.
Look at the difference. This is what the side we've worked on, the side I haven't worked on. This is on flat, this is on nah. Now guys, the difference. Right, I'm gonna zoom past the other side so you guys can see. I'm not gonna talk for the other side because you've seen what I've done, but yeah. This wig is laying flat. You can actually really stop here if you wanted to, but I'm gonna add some baby hairs. So I'm gonna just brush this back a little bit. Baby hairs are quite tricky. I still struggle to do them all now. It's quite hit and miss for me. So I'm gonna, we need to take out some hair. I know that part. What do you think? How am I gonna do this?
I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling, but you, I said that L-O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do.
I'm gonna take my scissors and cut slanted like this.
And I love the way you move, the way you.
Cool. So I'm gonna take my mousse. I'm so upset. I bought this mousse, which is really good for baby hairs. It's a lot of body mousse. I got it from Amazon, but the whole thing spilled because it wasn't packaged properly, and I'm so irritated. But I've got a little bit left, which I want to use to do my baby hairs. So start on this side.
Yo, I here with Lil Mo. Live in the building, about to show you how it goes down. Feel me?
Go London, go London, go London, go London, go.
This is Stevie, BBs.
pick me up at night, tonight, tonight, tonight.
I'm gonna take some Got To Be just to hold everything down in place. The black Got To Be, just to get everything to hold down in place, so nothing moves.
I know for sure you're the one I wanna spend my life with. When you say.
So I'm just gonna sort out my parting. I'm gonna take some of my eyeliner and just make my parting more precise. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some concealer and just put that down my part. Again, just to clean up the part as best as I can. The part's kind of messed up because of how I plucked the wig, but it's fine. I've learnt my lesson now with HD lace, and you don't need to do bare plucking like that. So I'm just gonna. Cool. So I'm gonna load up my straighteners. We're gonna straighten this hair as well. Let me even do this in parts. So I'm gonna clip away the first half and do it in halves. Yeah, that's how I'll do it. Take my Slay Base Sickening Silk Serum and Heat Protectant, like a little dots like that. And then go ahead.
You be on track, and I love the way you move, the way you groove. It's all of the things you do, and I want to stay with you for the rest of your.
Add some finishing touches by hot combing everything and just make sure everything lays as flat as possible. I want this nice and flat.
I'm feeling about you.
And we are done. This is flipping. I'm so gassed over this wig. I think I did a fantastic job. It's laying flat. It's looking sleek. Now, for the review. Guys, this hair, like the hair on this wig is bomb. Like, I wish you guys could feel it. It feels really, really, really buttery, like that silky proper, like, because you know me and silky straight bundles, that's what I'm after. I'm very particular when it comes to it. These are silky straight. And I dyed this jet black and didn't even leave it in conditioner for long, and it's still so like soft and silky. And I use cheap conditioner. A sign of good hair is if you don't have to use expensive conditioner to keep it in good condition. If you can use cheap conditioner on hair and it still like cooperates properly, it's good hair. That's something that I've picked up over the years. Well, in my opinion, I could be wrong, but I've just personally noticed that. But yeah, no, it's so silky, it's so good. Like, oh God. So this is in 30 inches. Let me show you where that comes up to on me. So 30 inches is, oh, let me take it all back now, child. 30 inches is my ass by my bum. Really, 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 as you can see, super long bundles. I've always wanted 30-inch hair, so I'm really excited to have this wig. I'm also really loving transparent HD lace. The lace melted beautifully, like beautifully. I'm really, really enjoying this. It's just easy, an easy wig to work with. I will not lie, guys, this wig is not cheap. It's not cheap. I paid $403. No, I think I had a discount because I think I paid like, whatever it was equivalent of like £325-ish. I can't quite remember, so it's not cheap. However, I do have really long lengths 5x5 HD lace closures. There are cheaper options available, of course, shorter lengths, maybe not HD lace, but I think transparent lace. If you're not going to do HD, do transparent. And I do think it's worth it because with me, I've noticed that I don't think I'm going to be making wigs myself anymore where I can avoid it. If I can get a good pre-made wig like this, I'm going for it. Sorry, I'm just too old to be and I'm not a hairdresser to be breaking my back making wigs all day. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a hair enthusiast. I'm not a hairdresser. I don't get paid for this. Like, okay, I do get paid for this, but I don't get, you know what I mean. Like, I just don't have the energy. Like, all I did with this was bleach the knots, pluck it, dye it jet black, and I used Garnier oils to dye it jet black, and we're good to go. Easy job. So I really do recommend pre-made wigs, and I will plug Wiggins Hair as a good place to get pre-made wigs from. The hair is good, the lace is good. Like I said, I haven't tried their regular lace, so I can't say whether it's that great, but this HD transparent lace, it's hit different. This is peng. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job? Really even guess there's a massive gaping hole here. Look at that. From where I overplucked, but you know, we make it work, we make it blend, we make it work. Oh, this wig is also 200% density, I forgot to mention, so I've got it across 30 inches. I feel like I could have gone for a 250 because this hair, if it was a little bit fuller, it'd be perfect for me, but this will actually work, so it wasn't a waste of money. I think my money was well spent on this wig. I'm really excited. Everyone knows me, I am the original closure babe. I'm not, I've worn frontals on my channel before, but everyone knows that I cat for a closure because it's just the low maintenance. All I have to, and I wear my hair middle part anyway, so it's just, you know, look, do you want the baby hairs? We're good to go. I think I did a really good job though. So guys, you let me know what you think about this in the description box. If you buy this hair you've bought from Wiggins Hair, drop your experiences down below, good or bad. You know, it's good to start an open dialogue. People will be watching the comments to see if it's what I'm saying is true, but I don't think my money was wasted on this. And it burnt me to pay money to buy hair because I don't buy hair, but it's fine. For you guys. For you guys. Now guys, I've got butterflies. Now you know you're gassed over a wig. I'm just so proud of myself for doing this on myself. So I've got like butterflies right now because my money was not wasted, because I would never forgive myself if it was. But yeah, I really do recommend. I hope this video was helpful and showed you guys how I install my wigs and do my baby hairs and stuff. I will see you guys in the next one. Check out Wiggins Hair. I'll have a link in the description box. I'll try to find the exact link for this wig and put it down there. And we're good to go. Bye.